One of the most famous personalities of 90 Day Fiancé, Jovi Dufren, startled many fans. Jovi is known for his hedonistic behavior. Many people claim that he didn't appear to care about his connection with Yara Zaya before they married. When Yara joined him in America, the two were pregnant, which solidified their choice to marry. When he was inebriated, though, Jovi enraged fans, blaming Yara's irritability on her pregnant hormones. Following that, a lie detector test revealed his history with strippers, prompting some fans to give him the side eye. After the birth of his baby, Jovi Dufren has picked it up. He's still purchasing beer, but he's also picking up Mila Dufren's diapers in the process. All he wants to do is be a good father and husband to his child and Yara Zaya, he adds. He is well aware that his profession will prohibit him from doing so in Yara's eyes. On the other hand, fans claim she was well aware of what she was getting herself into. As a result, he is concerned about how things will turn out when he is finally summoned to work. He travels for many months at a time and also takes occasional long-term vacations. He and Yara had this chat before becoming pregnant, expressing that he needed to spend more time with his family. Since Mila's birth, he has given up his continual drinking and devoted entirely to his family. When Jovi Dufren turns the tables on Yara Zaya, the 90 Day Fiancé spotlight focuses on him. He claims that he did what she requested and spent all of his time with his family. However, he is now demanding that she leave Mila Dufren for a short time to go on a proper honeymoon or vacation. Yara declines because she cannot envision leaving her kid alone for an extended length of time. Jovi expresses concern that if he does not spend alone time with his wife, they may divorce. According to him, couples who do not spend time together after having children are more likely to divorce. He claims that he wants to work with Yara and hopes she will be able to leave Milo with Gwen Amart. But for the time being, Yara is having trouble letting Jovi take charge of Mila's care. Many of the show's viewers and fans admire the change in Jovi's behavior towards Yara and being a responsible person in his family.